Tagging is one of the most misunderstood tools in CX. Used well, it's a source of insight. Used poorly, it's just noise. In this lesson, you'll define what tagging actually is. You'll learn what it's not, and why a smart tag strategy is essential for CX insight. Tagging is how your team labels customer interactions. It creates structure, surfaces insights, and triggers smarter workflows. When used correctly, tags do more than describe. They drive operations and insight. Tagging is not a post-it note habit. If used carelessly, it leads to clutter and inconsistency. Let's clear up the difference between tags, categories, and metadata. Tags are labels applied to interactions, while categories group those tags. A smart tag strategy transforms support into a strategic advantage. It tells the real story behind your tickets. Tagging isn't just about operations. It's insight, and it's only as useful as the system behind it. You're not just tagging for today. You're building the infrastructure for tomorrow's insights. Make it count.